like that. And as well, remember, in a village there's no internet and stuff like that. So now this year, don't listen to Mickey Mouses. This year they must listen to you. Everyone must watch you. You have been watching people. It's time now for people to watch you make money. You know how nice it is for people to be that guy when people want to be like you because you are making money, not because you are talking, you are being a comedian. No. Posting things which are not making sense. No. This year, people must like you because you are sanitizing poverty. And remember, downloading dollar starts with you. You can't help other people, you haven't helped yourself. So now, don't worry about someone else, worry about yourself. So this is the aim for this year. This year, we are taking everything. Even though we always take everything, but we don't want to leave anything on the table. You see? So that's exactly what's happening. So yeah, we'll let me just remove this one. We don't entertain clowns. When you are a clown, we block you. So yeah, that's how it is, guys. So yeah, I'll be having sessions. We'll be doing live sessions and stuff like that. I mean, this is our job, man. This is what we do for living. I mean, you know what I'm saying? So it's very nice to make money with it's very nice to teach someone how to do something. It's like taking someone from zero to hero. It's nice. You know, that's how it is. That's why people ask you, John, why do you still want to teach people when you have money? It's not about money anymore, my friend. If you understand, those who understand that it's not about money anymore. This is the lifestyle. This is the lifestyle. This is the life. We are about changing the movement, Baba. We are about making a mark. That's what it is. It's not about money anymore. We have passed that stage now. Now is a stage where now we are shifting the game, boss. We are bringing a new trend. That's me. You know, so basically that's the aim and that's the motto. If you don't get it, ask me. Inbox me. So guys, let's get it right. It's still fresh. Everything is still right. I understand some of you guys think are still down, but don't worry. I got you. And remember, Forex is the only way that's going to make you successful in a short space of time. If someone has a point or someone wants to disagree, they must come to us and show us. If they think that going to school or whatever their job is higher, let's see, and we're gonna show them how much we withdraw, and they can show them their bank balance. So trust me, Forex is the way to go, and we want to show people who have took the name down. I'm there to take it up to the game. So yeah, guys,